In this lesson, we're going to be creating some JavaScript variables. We will do that inside of an HTML document, the one you see right here. So let's go ahead and add some HTML. And you can also see that within that there is the script tags where we will write our JavaScript. Now, in order to write variables, we need to use the keyword var, V-A-R, so you can see here, and then the name that you select for your variable. In this case, I am going to use city, and I'm going to assign to it the value of Boston. Now in the very next line, I'm going to write to the console so that when we're in the browser we can see this being written to the console. So for that, I will use console.log, and inside of it I will write, or I will use the variable name, city. Now you can write as many of these as you like, and there's a few rules that you should know about. The first letter of a variable should be a letter, a $, or an underscore. And that's pretty much all you need to know about variable names. So let's go ahead and write another one, just that starts with a $, and we will call this one bank. Let's call it bank01, and we will assign to it the value of 1000, and then we will do the exact same thing. We will write console.log, and we will use the variable name, which in this case will be bank. Let's see. There. Now let's go ahead and move into our browser, and as we reload that page, we should be able to see in the console the values. So let's go ahead and move to our browser, and you can see here that I have the variable page. I'm going to reload that page in a second, and down here I have the console. This is within your developer tools within the browser. And when I reload this page, we should be able to see down here the values being written to the console. And yes, we can see Boston and we can see 1000. So go ahead and create an HTML file. Then within it, define a number of variables. Make sure you can do that, and then make sure you can inspect them by writing them to the console. Once we write our programs, we will be able to use variables to hold values that we need for our computation. So with that, I'll go ahead and close and say goodbye.